for today, we are picking up from what we left off on our last video. If you haven't seen it, I'll be putting the link up here in the cards and down in the description box. Just to recap, what we did was I used this mid-tone shade for my transition shade, and then I used this shade as highlight on my mobile lid, and I used this shade as a contour for my outer V. So for today's video, we are going to do a halo look. To show you how to do it, let's begin. So since nalagyan na natin ng dark shade yung ating outer V, ang gagawin na lang natin is lalagyan din natin ng dark shade yung inner corner or inner part of our eyelid. So I will be using the same shade, the dark brown shade for that. And then, lalagyan lang natin ng dark shade dito sa ating inner part. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to make the center of our lids pop a little bit more. So, ang ilalagay natin is the shimmer shade. And I'm just going to use my fingers. Okay, and then I will pop this color in the middle of my lid. Just like so. And then, I'm carefully tapping it to the sides. And then, balikan natin yung brush na ginamit natin kanina. And then, if i-flick lang natin para ma-blend siya dun sa shimmer shade. Okay, and then I'm just gonna run through a clean, fluffy brush dun sa edges para lang hindi siya masyadong harsh. So this is our final look. As you can see, the inner part of our lids are darkened, and then may pop of color dun sa gitna ng ating lids. So that shimmer shade catches light, and it gives the illusion of more forward yung ating eyelids sa center, and it gives that look na wider and brighter eyes. So it also gives us the illusion of having more lid space. So I hope may natutunan na naman kayong bago dito sa video na to. I hope you give this a try. I will be putting the links of the previous video in this series down in the description box. So do check that out. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. Marami pa tayong videos na maparating, so abangan yan. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified on my upcoming videos para updated kayo kung nakapag-upload na ako ng new video. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye!